Hello, good people. My name is Samuel Murithi from Global System Solutions, the future powerhouse. We are experts in solar power systems design and installation. And today, guys, I am headed to Utawala to see a client who was referred to me by one of my good friend, Mr. George. Georges, wherever you are, thanks a lot, and Mungu akubariki sana. So apparently, guys, this client has already an existing system, but the thing is, this system has never worked since the day it was installed. So the client called me and asked me to go and have a look at the system so that I can be able to advise him on the way forward. So guys, going by the Google Maps, I'll be there in the next 41 minutes. So stay tuned for more updates. So guys, we are already in Utawala, and as you can see, this is the system. This is the system, guys. It's in a pathetic state. This is the system. It only consists three things. We have the PWM charger controller with all the cable lying loose everywhere, and we also have a battery. I'm here to ascertain whether it is in good condition, and we also have a big changeover switch. So as you can see, this is the system. There's no inverter, so I am not even sure whether this system has ever worked. It's been like this for the last 1 year, according to the client. So guys, whoever did this, this was not good at all. So here is the solar module that is currently installed, but I have removed it so that I can be able to do the assessment. And this is the data sheet. And this panel, as per the data sheet, it's rated 300 watts with an open voltage of 19 volts maximum. Now guys, here is my recommendation for this system. Having looked at the entire system, it's evident that we will have to redo the entire system afresh. And just by looking at the existing items, this was just a small system of up to 1 kVA maximum. So we will reintroduce an inverter of 0.7 kVA as the client just want to run lights, TV and Wi-Fi on solar. We will also replace the existing PWM charge controller with a 45 amp MPPT charge controller. Also, we are going to replace the existing solar panel with a 435 watt Jinko module, which is one of the top brands in the market with high efficiency. And finally, we are going to introduce the controls of the entire system. And these are the isolators, the changeover switch, and the AVS. And also finally try to make the whole work neat. So guys, stick around for more updates of this system. So guys, we are finally done with the installation, and as you can see, we have really tried to organize the system to aesthetically look nice. We have installed a new inverter. It's a 0.7 kVA inverter. We have also installed an MPPT charge controller. This is the MPPT charge controller. And one advantage of this MPPT charge controller over the other one, which is a PWM, is that this one is more efficient when it comes to charging the battery. On the left, we're having the controls of the entire system, and inside the control we have the isolators, both for the PV and the battery, and also we have the changeover switch as well as the AVS. Now, when it comes back to the battery, after physically assessing it, it seems to be just fine. So this one, we have maintained it, we have not changed it. On top of the roof is the 435 watt Jinko solar panel, which is delivering up of 400 watts of solar power. So the system is able to power the lights, the TV and the Wi-Fi. The main concern here was to have power to run the basic items in the event of a power blackout. The client is now happy and his life doesn't have to stop when there is a power outage. Are you there and need a solar power solution? Worry no more. Our number is 0721 675839. We are based in Nairobi but do installations countrywide. Thank you.